So here you have your normal Jeep CB size. Unfortunately, it won't fit for where I want. So I picked up this guy. It is tiny compared. Look at this. I think it's gonna work for my Beetle. So I have a 01 Beetle, and I've done a couple modifications. I put a newer style console, so I can have cup holders here and not the ones in the front. And I added this bigger screen radio, so I don't have much room down here. But that is where I'm going to put my CB, and I had to get a small one. This mini, to be able to fit it in there. So let's see if I can get it to fit. I have the stock cigarette lighter in there, so hopefully that will power up the CB that comes pre-done that way. Well, after a lot of work, it barely fits in there. But I'm happy with it. So I'm going to route the antenna cord kind of around the trim towards the back.